phase one, remove the tire. Alright, so definitely not doing by myself. I'm here with Mr. Luigi. So this is he does this for living. So we're gonna remove sway bar or undo the sway bar link, this one, and then upper ball joint. We remove the sensor, ABS sensor, and the brake line, and then the tie rod ends, and then we move everything out, and we'll be able to remove the. This is, I don't know the brand. I bought a second hand, was already installed. Actually, we might be able to see the brand here. No, maybe when we remove it, we can see it. Anyway, this is the way he usually does to remove the suspension. So as you said before, you do the ABS and brake line only for safety.
It's a safety, yeah, so we don't want to stretch them too much. It's just two bolts, why not? There is no point to leave it.
Do you need a bracket or like a cable tie to keep it on, or just
No, it'll be fine. Yeah, we need to take it off from the other side as well.
So which one was it to remove the other one? Is the
That's the sway bar link.
sway bar link. So he's removing, it's like he's only undoing the bolt on the other side. Yeah. So the sway bar, what's it, 14?
Yeah.
Sway bar 14. Most of the others are what, C 17?
17, 19.
You basically are disconnecting the sway bar
Yeah, sway bar, it's already away.
both sides.
Yeah, it's just a little bit better. It's not ideal because it's still gonna sit there, but it gives a bit more.
I have the bolts.
So basically what I'll do, I'll just not put the nut back until
Oh
the
yeah.
ball joint is
So you remove the line and put it back. Oh, because you just bang it.
Yeah.
That would be. Oh, because even.
I don't want him to just go on a free fall.
Okay.
So that, and I don't want to also damage the thread in case I miss
Yeah, right.
with the hammer.
That must be. That's 14 on those ones. And obviously you only undo the 3 one, not the middle one. That's everybody saying online.
That is a bit of a.
What's that? That was quick.
Crying when I had to go to my car.
Yeah.
Only 2 months old.
So usually, do you check this as well? If you stay, oh, it's pretty loose.
Yeah.
It's
So
fucking
there
good.
is no really need to take this out. It can stay there and that will swing.
But usually in a
But
new
then-
new car, this is almost stays up on its own. Is that correct?
No, it's because it's
It's
supposed
all-
to pivot. Yeah, it's supposed to pivot. But if you leave it attached, you can. But the same thing, you're gonna give too much stress
On the yeah.
on the rod, on the inner rod,
Yeah.
all the. That's it.
Pretty much, I'm just watching. I'm not doing much. The Milwaukee is the one you're using at work, or is that yours?
Those mine. Yeah. She's bugged.
Yeah. Do you want me to pull and then you? Can you fit a screwdriver on this side and we hammer it out? Do that. So what's your next?
Yeah, that's cactus, the boat right in there.
She's out. Oh shoot!
It's not fully out, but it's
It was not
It's
like that
damaged.
shit,
you can see how the center bit is not in the center.
Yeah,
It's more
yeah.
up.
So it needed to be replaced.
Yeah.
All right. So I bought this second hand from a guy who only used it for 6 months, something like that. Yeah, the receipt. Anyway, Luigi was explaining that reason being he removed the ABS. Did you say it again? ABS line.
yeah.
Because the line itself, it's only what, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter.
Yeah, 1 millimeter each.
So to not
Two
get
electrical tiny lines.
to don't get too much stress on that. So now we need to do obviously the other way, push it in. When I asked Luigi what brand to use, he suggested Outback Armor, but it was not in my budget. So I went a bit of a cheap ass, but
We're gonna leave this loose until the car goes back on the ground.
Yeah,
So
right,
you
and then
need
you
to
tell
do
me.
this on right height. This one it's pretty accessible. The Prado, I don't know if it's the Prado. Anyway, every vehicle is different. So some of them you cannot really access with the wheel on, and especially to put the spanner on the other side. Yeah, it's a bit dislocated. We're gonna have to put it back on its place.
the boot seems like I need to replace this boot as well.
Yeah, it's not in its best shape.
Yeah. So what you basically do, you just tighten up the top of the strut,
Yeah.
and then so that would be fully tight, and then you do that when the with the weight of the car.
Yeah.
Does it need to be a specific torque, or you just go by feel?
Yeah, by feel, and then you need to line up
Oh yeah.
the split pin. So it's not tight, it's loose, but in this way,
To make it easier.
when it goes down, only need the gun, most likely without having the spanner on the other side.
Okay. So now it's just a matter of putting bolts back, ABS and brake lines, and what else is missing?
The sway bar, but we're gonna leave it
To the end?
loose. We're gonna have to do that later on.
The sway bar link you put in
Yeah.
now?
No, just prefer, maybe I'll put this side on. Yeah.
So this is live. Luigi is working, even from a beer, and just watching. So the only thing he left loose is one bolt. We put it back the tire on the car. I think he will. You're gonna tight the last bolt and the sway bar link, right?
Yeah.
When the tire is on, and the car is on the ground. So Luigi now is doing the other side. I don't think I'm gonna film it. It will be the same. Is there any advice you give Luigi to do this job?
Well, yeah, if you on jack stand, not very even ground, just do one side at a time, so the vehicle is more stable.
So remind me what you do on the other side. Are you gonna do now? So obviously you take the tire will go down.
Tire come off, sway bar link and sway bar himself loose, which is already loose. Then we do, just as a precaution, we take the ABS line off from the upper controller and the brake line off from the arm. We then take the tie rod end and upper control ball joint
Oh.
off. And then basically you can take the three top nuts off from the strap tower and the lower short bolt, and then it's good to come off.